Today I saw an Opuntia cactus in bloom. Its flower lasts only a very short time, so I barely managed to photograph it before it was gone, and then I tried to paint it right away. The Opuntia is also famous from the Mexican flag, where the eagle perches on this very cactus. So sit back, listen to some Mexican music, which I always associate with cacti, and watch me paint this unusual plant in watercolor.
Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón. Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón. Arriba, pa' abajo, pa' el centro. Adivina qué es lo que yo quiero. Izquierda, derecha, pa' dentro. Tequila pa' mi perdición.